time through high school. One of the things I will say, a lot of people grow up with labels. People tell you that you're smart or you're dumb, or you're good at certain things. Nobody's born with any skill set. You learn it. It comes from effort. It comes from time. It's not based on your genetics. It's based on the effort that you put in and a desire to get better in that area. When I was 18, my whole life changed. A friend of mine told me he met a guy that had retired at 28 years old, and I said, I need to meet this guy. And one of the things I can say that hopefully will add value is most people don't have the self-image or the follow-through to pursue people in life that are more successful because of their self-image. If you weigh 400 pounds and you're divorced and your kids hate you, but you make millions of dollars a year, that's not success. On the flip side, it's not success if your kids love you and you do triathlons and you can't pay the bills. That's also not success. Success is multidimensional. So he made a very significant 7-figure income, but he was home with his son every day. And he had a great marriage. And his wife, and him and his wife loved each other. And they were able to travel, and they were able to do philanthropy. They started a mission center in Honduras. There's 100 women and children to be on the streets if it wasn't for his time and their money and their vision for that. So I pursued him, and he taught me the industries that he was in. He developed assets online, transitioning business from offline to online. He was somebody that was just a tremendous person. He totally changed my life. So because of his help and his mentorship, while I worked a full-time job, I developed assets. I retired from a full-time job at 25. My wife will fully retire this year. I have newborn twins. They're 3 months old, a boy and a girl, which I'm very thankful for. I want to be very, very clear. The only reason I'm here speaking is not because I'm better or smarter. I've done nothing different. I just followed better mentorship, and I was blessed to have an opportunity to meet somebody that had the life that I truly wanted. Because you're not going to be able to model after something without a guide.